What song do you believe is 100% perfect? Comment edition part 3.
Frightened of this thing that I've become. Gonna take a lot to drag me away from you.
Reality is upon us. Colors dripping off. Colors dripping off.
Niggas is savage, niggas is monsters, niggas is pimps, niggas is players. The niggas had daughters, now they precautious. Father forgive me, I'm scared of the karma. Cause now I see women as something to nurture, not something to conquer.
So you're running late, and it's not even like you. We were doing so well. Did the dog eat your homework again? I can't help myself.